Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came in another video, guys. As you see, the daily candle, it's finished here in that zone. As you see it, guys, and what it's given us and what did I told in the previous videos, if you remember and you've been with us. What did I told you here? Look at those candles here. That one, and that one. What did I told you about those candles? I tell it to you and I'm going to repeat it, guys. Look at it. Those candles here, the name of them is the Hangman, guys. Everything is very clear. And I tell you something before. What did I told you about that one? That candle, that one. Look at it. And that one. I told you the inside bar, guys. And that one, even that one, the inside bar, guys. Yes or no? Look at them. Did the market break up or here or came down, break down? Not yet, guys. The market, it stay only sideways here. Why? Because the news came here in that candle here, that one here, then the market is still sideways here. What that indicating to you, guys? Compared to the stock market, to FX, to everything, to Forex, what is indicating to you, guys? It's indicating the Bitcoin, it's still very, 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 very stronger, guys. And the people that believe in Bitcoin, they still believe in it very, very, very much, guys. And as you see it, we're still holding here in that zone. It doesn't break it yet. So now all that, what you need to do? Should you enter? Should not? What you need to do? By the way, you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very well informed about the Bitcoin, what it's doing from professional people, that the job of them, guys. Did you subscribe, my friend? It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So I told you guys what you need to do now. Should you buy? Should you sell? Should you still waiting? Look with me. It doesn't come and break for us here. It's need to come to break for us that level here, guys. If it doesn't, we are not going to enter. Remember those words what me I'm telling you. What I got me in my chart. Let's see it. Look at it, guys. What it's indicating? That. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Look with me here. What you seeing, guys? That one, that white one here, that one is the long-term trend also being followed from 2014, guys. Here in the top, what we got? The upper of the channel. And here, that level here, that yellow level here, when it's broke, how it's reacting, guys? It's still reacting like a very, very stronger resistance, guys. Yes or no? Every time the market came to it, he pushed down. Yes or no? The one from the bear side. What you got from the bull side, guys? Look with me here. That level here, what it reacting to you? Still very, very stronger. Even that level, guys. Here, every time the market came down here, he don't let it to fall down more, guys. Now what you need to do, guys, either to come back and to break for us that long-term trend, at the right time for us to enter long, guys. If it doesn't, we are not going to enter. And for you to know it when is the right time is very simple, guys. It's very simple. It will not cost you even 1 penny. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So when also we put in every day 2 videos, so you're going to be notified and you're going to watch those videos and you're going to see our highly in-depth analysis, guys. Think everything is too clear here, guys? Let's go in now to show you our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here. As you see that trend line here with white. It go back up here. And what did I told you in the last video, guys? If you've been with us, what did I told you? Let's zoom it like that. What did I told you here about that indicator of us? I told you either it's going to be like that level here or it's going to make like here or here. Yes or no? How it's indicating now? Fall down. It give you another low here. Now what we need to do? We need to make a close F is going to go up to give us 3 in the top and 2 down, guys. Yes or no? That's what us we saying before, like that. So make a close eye how it's going to do, guys, in the future. It's very simple, guys. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. And here, guys, who's still controlling here? The bears, guys. The bears who still controlling and them, they still have power here in the daily. Yes or no? In that Bitcoin chart, the bears will still controlling, guys. There is no buyers yet. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to show you our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. I show you that one before. What did I told you here? I told you got a divergence, guys, like that. Yes or no? Should you enter now? Because you got here a divergence in our indicator as you see it and even in the chart. All those things is very clear, guys. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. It need to come to break for you. That one. Sorry. That one. It need to come the market and to break it for you guys. That one, look at it. Very clear wage, guys. You are in it down. See that market to come up and to break here. If it doesn't come and break here, don't enter long, guys. If it came and break here, what is going to be the take profit or some of the profit here at 24k or 25k? Next one is it here at the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into the Bitcoin 4 hours chart to see what the market doing in the 4 hour, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours, what do you see here? Look with me, clear picture, guys. What you see in there? What did I told you? Me before in the previous videos, I told you got here a wage. Yes or no? Like that. And like that. Did it break in the top of it? Not yet, guys. Not yet. Shall you enter now long? Not yet, guys. It needs to come and to break for us high here. Then, if it's breaking for us high here, it's going to be the right time, guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Smashing the like button, please. Helping us. Helping that channel to growing up more. You done it? And please write with it a small comment. Say whatever you want and say something about the Bitcoin, whatever you want. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So, guys, what we said us here, we are in a very stronger level. Yes or no? Look at it, where it starts here. And what did I told you in the previous videos, guys? Look with me. Let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. What else we said here? What else we said here, guys? And here in the top, what we said we got to supply and demand zone, guys. Even if you extend it here to that zone, it's going to be clear. But also we are not going there. What we said? The top how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Down how many times? 1, 2, 3. Now I think that one is going to go to give you the fourth one, guys. When should you enter, guys? The fifth time. Either to come to break up or to make a small correction like that, then to come back and to break down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? You get what I'm saying to you? So, let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you guys. In my chart, what I got, guys? I got the upper of that channel here, and the lower of it is down here. Did it touch it? Not yet. Who's still holding here? That level with yellow? Me, I tell it to you. Yes or no? And who's still holding down? Look with me where I will start it. From here, that level, guys. The Bitcoin is still very, very stronger in that level of 18,600, guys. Make a close at that level here if it's still holding or no. Everything is too clear. And what the Bitcoin chart give you here? Look with me here. Let's take it off that chart of me. What the Bitcoin chart give you here, guys? Look with me close here. What you seeing? And if you came like that from that level here, what you seeing, guys? It's saying that chart, guys. Bitcoin chart here, it's saying the momentum is getting slower and slower as you see it, guys. Yes or no? No power here. But believe me when I will tell you that, guys, after every time the momentum is getting like that, lower and lower, after that there is a big pump is coming, guys. A big pump is coming to the Bitcoin. When it's going to come? When the weekly candle finish it, guys, on the start of Monday. Remember those things? What me I'm telling you. I know some friend of me using even the Bollinger Band like that. When it's getting like that, when it's getting smaller like that, like a neck bottle, de-weighting the pump. And that's what's going to happen here, guys. There is a pump coming. Everything is too clear, guys? It's our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here, our indicator, guys, is very, very, very clear here. He give you very clear picture. What did I told you about that wall? Hear me. When we are here, at that zone. What did I told you? I told you the buyers and the sellers, they are equal. Yes or no? Did the buyers now still stronger? What that indicator of us telling you guys? The buyers, they are not still stronger now. Now, who controlling now is the sellers, guys. Also, we came down. Yes or no? It might from here to come back inside, but that one is not stronger yet. And what we got here? Look with me here. What you got, guys? Where is it that indicator of us here? Is it in an uptrend? As you see it, how many times it's being touched? First, second, and here now the third time. Now, if it's breaking it down, it's going down, guys. If it's breaking up, that's the right time for you to enter, guys, long. Remember my word, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. What else we said before? We said, is it at the oversold area, guys? Yes or no? A level, you are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. Look where I was started from. A very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? The third thing, what is it? Price action, guys. The price action here, what is it? Is it that wage us withdrawing here. Do you see where I started from? Now what you need to looking for now at this moment now, you need to look only for buying, guys. Remember my word. Now what I'm telling you, you need to look only for buying, like here. What we be looking only for buying, guys. Everything is too clear. When you're going to enter buy, guys, if it came to that wedge, that one, and breaking for you here by a candle in that zone, you enter long, guys. Where is going to be the take profit of you or some of the profit? Here in that zone, guys. Here in that zone. Why that zone? Because that zone, look at it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the Bitcoin chart in 30 minutes and see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, look at it. That triangle, as we said, it's very clear here in 30 minutes. Look at it. You see it or not? Very, 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 very clear here in 30 minutes, guys. Should you buy now? Not yet. Hasn't touched the lower here. Should you sell now? Not yet, guys. I'm going to tell you if it's the right time to buy or no. Because if you see here, look with me here in 30 minutes, close here, where you are now. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6, guys. It's a very stronger level. And the market doesn't got that big power or coming news to push it up or down. We're going to tell us now if we are going to buy or not. Is our indicator, guys. Let's see what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Also last time we buy from here because we used to have here that one, that channel. We take profit here in the last high. Did it bring it for you? Yes, guys, here. Now it's near to enter here at the oversold area, guys. Should you buy now? Not yet, guys. Why? Look with me here very close what I'm going to show you here, guys. Look here. Zoom it like that for everyone to understand, guys. Look here what you seeing, guys. And here what you seeing, guys, here. How it look to you, that one in 30-minute chart, by the way. And here how it look to you, that one. That one is a flag, guys. And that one, it's very simple to calculate. And you just came from that zone here to the top here. And when it's breaking for you here, you bring that level here, that one. You put it here for take profit, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. If it's breaking for you here in that zone here, you enter long, guys. Did it breaking now? Not yet. Remember my word, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And you need to wait in that one to enter at the oversold area, but you need to make a close eye at that price action me I show you now. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.